Today, I have an exciting topic to delve into, which is cybersecurity career insights. If you're interested in cybersecurity or contemplating a career in this rapidly evolving field, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll explore key insights, tips, and strategies to help you kickstart or advance your cybersecurity career. So, let's not waste any time and jump right in. Before I dive into career advice, let's talk about why cybersecurity is more critical than ever. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and organizations worldwide are in dire need of skilled professionals to protect their digital assets. From financial institutions to healthcare providers, everyone is vulnerable. This demand translates into incredible opportunities for aspiring cybersecurity experts. If you're new to the field, you might feel overwhelmed by the vast cybersecurity landscape. Fear not, I'll break it down for you. Cybersecurity encompasses various domains, such as network security, ethical hacking, incident response, and more. I'll help you identify your interests and choose a path that aligns with your passion and goals. Now let's discuss how to build your skill set. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up, there are essential skills you need to master. I'll talk about programming languages, certifications, and hands-on experience that will make you stand out in the job market. Networking and community. Networking is a critical element in any career, and cybersecurity is no exception. I'll share some strategies on how to connect with professionals in the field, join cybersecurity communities, and attend relevant conferences and events. Building a network can open doors to job opportunities and valuable insights. Landing your first job. Getting your foot in the door can be challenging, especially when you're starting. I'll discuss effective ways to land your first cybersecurity job, including crafting an impressive resume, acing interviews, and showcasing your skills in a competitive job market. Advancing your cybersecurity career. Once you've started your career, it's important to keep growing and advancing. I'll talk about strategies for career progression, including specialization, continuous learning, and staying up to date with the latest industry trends. And there you have it, folks. That's a wrap for my video on cybersecurity career insights. I hope you found this information helpful and that it encourages you to pursue a rewarding career in cybersecurity. Remember, this field is full of opportunities, and the only way to fail is not to start. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a solid. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.